Alright, so today I'm just taking off my 3IS conversion bumper to do some stuff underneath and behind it after about 6 months of driving with this thing on. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how this is put on and taken off in this video. So the easiest way I find to jack up any of these cars is to or take out the bumpers to jack the car up so you can have more room to work with. So now that I've got it all jacked up, I'm going to take off the engine cover. Mine's an 07, so I've got all the push button ones that are easy to pop off. If you got an 06 that have those older ones that you have to pop off with a screwdriver, you might want to pick up some of these newer ones from Amazon or eBay. They're pretty cheap now. You can get 50 of them for like 10 bucks. But it would make your life much more easier to take all your clips off the car. There's 2 more clips up here, but since I have the 3IS conversion, you don't use them, so I've just got some blanks in there. So on top you've got 2 clips on the side, and then 2 just Phillips screws that hold this on. So pop those off. I've also got a spacer, a little nylon spacer that I used because the bumper didn't have the little built into the molding. So most of you guys probably don't have that, but I got it just so this spot sits correctly when it's bolted down. I've got right here, I've also got a custom bracket that I built for my install that I've got with a clip. Most of you wouldn't have this if you had the 3IS conversion bumper, but I made it. So that's good. You gotta get the 2 side bolts. So I've got everything on the top and the sides done. Most of you guys that have done this eBay conversion probably didn't have all the stuff at the bottom like I did, because this bumper only comes with those 2 tabs. I created 2 more, and then I also connected the ones on the side here, which are a little bit harder to reach. So I have to use a gear wrench for these. I also find it easier just to turn the wheels to get those 2 bolts on the side, so I gotta do that. Also, if you guys watched my other videos, when I prepped this bumper, I actually opened up all these tabs so I could use these two plastic tabs on either side of the bumper also. This eBay bumper didn't come with those holes opened up correctly, so I had to make them work. Most people probably don't even use these two on the side, but I like to keep everything OEM on stuff like that, so I've actually got it all working. Pop a little pressure on each side, and it comes right off. Before we get too far, I gotta get my bumper mount. We're taking these out. Remember to unplug your fog lights. Alright, so some of the stuff I was explaining when I was saying, this right here is on this 3IS grill, this bracket is there, but the 2ISs don't have that part, so I had to actually trim this piece right here to make that work, to clear the thing on the car. So on the car side, I had to build this custom bracket right here to offset, because that's where the original OEM spot is with the bolt. This is where, so I made a little bracket out of some aluminum, painted it black, drilled a hole for the clip there. As you can see, my bumper support, I've painted it black so it's not obvious behind the grill when you're looking at it. So there, and then these are those two brackets that I made custom for the bottom that I didn't have. These are the two tabs that are already on the bumper that screw into existing holes on the car already. Same with this side, that's the other side of the bracket. If you guys watched my other video when I set this up, I did, mount my lip with I added extra screws all along that this lip didn't come with, because you had to make your own screws anyways when you screw this lip in, so everybody's probably got it rigged somehow, but I've got mine with, actually these, and then these nylon tabs on the back side when I use a 10mm OEM screw on that side. So, and I did do some custom work. These are Morimoto Toyota Lexus style fog lights. They don't want to mount to the holes exactly like they came, so I had to make this custom bracket over here to mount at least 3 of the spots. These two sides fit. This one barely fits, and so I mounted that, and then I mounted this side, and then so everything's correctly mounted and rotated with these Morimoto. So because the LED ones that came with these were Toyota style, but they weren't the exact same Toyota ones. All right, so after making some adjustments that I needed for my headlights and everything else, for taking this bumper off, I'm gonna put it all back together.